Hello, PM692. This is my Unit 5 discussion over risk management. Risks in projects are inevitable. There is a tool in project management that is used to document and identify potential risks, the risk register. The risk register aids in staying on top of issues that could arise throughout the life of a project. The log is often used because of regulatory reasons, but also to allow project managers and teams a clear and concise grouping of information containing the potential risks. It will be used during the risk management phase. Project risk control is when the project team will identify the risks within the triple constraints that include time, cost, and scope. The team should also include quality. Then, identify outside factors that could interject risk into the project. After that, the group or project manager should evaluate the risks documented in the risk register and determine its probability and impact to the project. Once those are decided, prioritize the risks. A useful tool in prioritizing risks is the risk assessment chart. By using a cross-sectional table, team members can assign a risk severity level to each risk. The information will help in developing the risk responses, allowing multiple plans and responses to be created, and help in the elimination or resolution of risks. This type of control is essential because if risks in a project are not documented and dealt with, the entire project could fail. Another tool used in risk management is the risk mitigation matrix. This matrix contains risks that are involved in a project, which aids the team in determining their next course of action in a mitigation plan. Following this matrix, another tool that is useful for combining the risks in the project is the probability and impact matrix, which is a tool that helps visualize the prioritization of risks. Primarily, it will show the team which risks need to be taken care of first. For our team, the Texas Helping Hands, the best method to reduce the possibility of risks affecting our project, we will utilize the tools within the project risk control. By creating a risk register, we will be equipped in handling all potential risks that could negatively affect the scope, budget, or cost of the project. Next, we will create a risk assessment chart to prioritize the risks in the register. Then we will create a risk mitigation matrix so that we can see a clear path forward on how to deal with the risks at hand. Following that, the team will put the risks in a probability and impact matrix so that we can have a clear visual on the risks we need to have a control plan for. These tools will give our team a clear answer on the objectives we must face. Many risks within a project can be subjective. Project managers must work to reduce the subjectivity of these risks. This can often be seen when determining the probability and impact on a project. Project managers need to fully understand the risks to help eliminate bias. When there is bias in a project, the team must be aware of the bias exists. Risk assessments must be sound to be effective. Team members need to try and evaluate as subjectively as possible on risks. All right, thanks.